Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find stores that accept Humana Healthy Benefits Card, Locator guide step by step clearly. To find stores that accept the Humana Healthy Benefits Card, start by visiting the official Humana website. Navigate to the Member Benefits section on the homepage. Look for information specific to the Healthy Benefits Card. Next, locate the Store Locator tool on the website. Enter your zip code in the search bar provided. Review the list of stores that appear in your area. To ensure the store accepts the card, click on the store name for more details. You can also call the store directly to confirm acceptance of the Humana Healthy Benefits Card. Consider using the Humana mobile app, if available. Download and install the app from your smartphone's app store. Log in with your Humana account credentials. Use the App Store Locator feature to find participating locations nearby. Additionally, check any promotional materials you received from Humana. These materials often list participating retailers and locations. If you prefer a personal approach, visit a local Humana office for assistance. Their representatives can guide you to nearby stores. This will help you maximize your benefits when shopping. By following these steps, you can easily locate stores that accept your Humana Healthy Benefits Card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.